Good evening, everybody. Name is Samuel Okoyocha. I want to bring you some features and indices stock analysis. Today is Sunday, the 5th day of September 2021. Time now is 4 to 9 p.m. in Biafra, West Africa. Okay, so let me start with US 100, NASDAQ 100. Okay, there's no much to say on indices right now and stocks. They are all pointing to the north. So going back down to 4 hours, we can see the next target is 16,000. Just with the next move on US 100 NASDAQ is 16,000. Okay, this is our next target. So expect this line to be broken very soon. The next, we have US 30. They always move at the same pace. Most of the time, they move when they're going up, all will be going up. When they're going down, all will be going down. Right now, we expect another move up towards this level. So let's see 4 hours. Okay, so watch out for a break of this level. Watch out for a break of this place, which will happen sooner or later. Once it is broken, the next move is 37,400, 37,500, 37,600. That's the area we are moving gradually to. So that's it for you starting. Nifty. On Nifty, the result is still the same. We are also seeing upward movement on Nifty, just like others. Okay, it's a broken the channel after a pullback. It broke the channel and kept going up. So where do we target? Next target is between 1880. Sorry, yes, 1880, 19,200, 19,600 to 20,000. So 18,000 to 20,000 is when Nifty is going. Nifty index is going between 19,000 to 20,000. So we may get some pullback or something. Either we get something like this or something like this before they move. So hope you get what I mean. I said either we get a little pullback, which is something like this, or we get correction, which is something like this. This type of sudden movement before the price continue going up. Nikkei is also going up. Nikkei is also going up. And you can see when I was analyzing this pair, I said that Nikkei have completed its correction. But if it wants to extend, it's going to be blue balls. But if it wants to extend, it will go up. And I also draw this line. I said once it goes this line, it will break this. And it's happening the way I forecasted it will go. So right now, Nikkei is buy. So Where are we targeting? Our target on the K is between 4,000 to at 6,000. This is our target on the K. Target at 4,000, at 5,000 on the K. So, and as you know, this is a daily chart. Don't think it will happen in a week. So if you count this, you count this type of move. Remember, we have so many candles here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. About 30 days. This took about 30 days. This took about 15 days. So know that it will take a month or two to get there. So don't think it will happen within a week. So I don't want to go to four hours because this daily chart is period to 4 hours. Even 4 hours is period to 1 hour, and then 1 hour is period to 15 minutes. So today I want to focus on bigger time frame because that's what will tell us where we are going, maybe for the rest of the year. So we are going up for the rest of the year. The market is going up, up, up. So Dow is also going up like others. Dow is going up like others. So what do we expect on Dow? Once it breaks this upper channel, the next target is this very one. They're all going up. Not much to talk about. Those indices and stocks, they're all going up. German 30. That starting. We are looking for, it's going sideways now, but the sideways, two things will happen. The two things, we either have a little pullback again, just like this, and going up, or we have a bigger pullback, something like this or something like this. So watch out. You may avoid trading DAX for now because 4 hours is okay. 4 hours is giving us something on DAX. Okay, now we are having an ABC. Let me show you something on DAX. So on DAX, this is ABC. Now, the question is this C over? Because you know that's what we call contracting flat. Okay, if this move is a contracting flat, it means that the N B C, that the wave C is over, since we have a pin bar here. But if it want to do a zigzag or flat, it will still come down to this place. So now it's left for you to check whether you will wait for it to complete. Or anyway, let me help you. If the move goes above, if the move goes above 15,882, then there is a possibility that it will not come back again. But if it keeps dropping, now let's even see 1 hour. Okay, you can see. Okay, now in all this, we still have two possibilities on this. But whenever if the this current move continues to go up and close above this line, forget about it going down again. But if it makes a correction, it can still drop to complete the move. Now, this is a complete movement. Know you. And if it comes back down, it is yet a complete movement. The only difference is that if it ends here, it is called contracting flat. If it goes down, it calls zigzag. So know that. Okay. Look at 100. Look at 100. There's a pattern I think is trying to play out here, but it seems the pattern will fail. I don't know until it fails. Okay, now what is going to help us to know whether the pattern will play out or not? Watch this line. If the market breaks this line with force, know that the pattern is going to work. But if it breaks this very line and going up, then forget about this pattern. So this pattern will remain until the market goes above this level. Then I will delete it. For now, and I'm looking at it as something that will happen. For now, focus on this very triangle. If it breaks it with force, sell. If it breaks it with force, upwards, buy. Tesla. Tesla is going up. Last time I talked about Tesla, I said that this move have completed at this lower channel, that we might have an ABC or just a pullback. So in the two options, pullback happened. It didn't complete ABC and still going up, and it have completed the move we're looking at. Now, what do we expect to happen? This is what I expect to happen. I mean, something like this. This is what I expect to happen. Something like this. This is the type of move I expect to happen. Something like this. But it might be not that much. After the correction, something like this, it will move up again. So buying makes sense on Tesla. Copper. What do we expect on copper? Okay. This is zigzag, A, B, C. Now, two things is involved. One, you may have a double zigzag, but I don't see the signs of the double zigzag. Okay? I don't see signs of having the double zigzag, but we always explore all the options available. Then if it doesn't happen, so be it. So now the two things we are looking at is that this is a zigzag. You have a double zigzag, which means this is WSY, this is A, B, C. But as things is, from the way I see this this very move, what we're gonna have is what we likely have is an this is A, B, C. This is what I think we're gonna have. this type of move. So I don't expect this move again. I'm just saying it to show that it is possible, it can happen. But I can see this as we are going to have a zigzag, a three waves correction, or something like this may happen. The market will continue to go up. So that's what we have on copper. So copper is a buy market, unless the only thing that we change this scenario, we have a sharp move below this line. Once the move is not very sharp, it will go up. Nikkei, okay, Nikkei is going up. I think we better, okay, now let's leave it on daily chart. Nikkei have almost broken this channel. Now just pay a close attention on Nikkei. Nikkei is about broken this channel. This is an ABC. Okay, let's see it on 4 hours. Okay, on 4 hours, you can see this is ABC, and it has broken. Now, what are we? Let us. The thing about Nikkei now is, let's this move. Let us see a similar candle. Once we get a similar candle this week, another candle like this, then know that these are properly broken. But as it stands now, here is the stop loss. This Nikkei is a buy market. Here is stop loss. So buying Nikkei makes sense, but selling it doesn't make sense. So let us go lower. 1 hour. Let's go to 1 hour. So 1 hour, you can see this move is big and it is sharp. So in my opinion, this is what we're gonna have. So going down to 1 hour to buy to make out of sense. So in my opinion, the little pullback we're gonna have is something like this, a 3 waves move. Then we go up. So this is my opinion on the Nikkei. Go down to 1 hour, look for buy. That is after correction, you buy on the Nikkei. That's the only thing I see on the Nikkei. I don't see the option of it going back again to the lower channel. No, I don't see that. S&P 500. S&P 500. So let's see daily before we go to 4 hours and 1 hour. It has been going up gradually but steadily. It's going up gradually and steadily. The truth is that, to be frank with you, I don't like to take this type of move. You know the reason. The reason is that once the bull market is gradual, we always have the bear market to be sharp. And it doesn't make sense. There's profit to make from here to here. If it doesn't close it, can be wiped out within 1 hour, 2 hours. And so I don't like the type of moves. Unless you capture it after this happens, or maybe if you are lucky and you see this happening, you observe the sharp selling happening. Maybe this line breaks, and you are in the market when this is happening. Then you place a sell stop because it will like surely go down again. So I can only sell if I capture a break lower. If not, I cannot buy this. I don't like the way it is moving. You know, plus what kind? There are so many choices in the market. You can always buy another pair. If you don't like the one that you see, there are many options to make a choice from. So index and futures, I'm bringing to an end of the analysis. The next will be forex. Thank you for watching.